Hey guys, welcome back to Cook with Penny. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious Rice Krispie Treats. You are going to need 100 grams of marshmallows. They can either be mini or big ones. For me, I have mixed mini ones and some big ones which I cut up. And then we are also going to need 1 tablespoon of butter, 4 cups of Rice Krispies, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then what you're going to do is just put the butter in a pot on the stove and we're just going to let it melt. Once the butter has melted, you're going to put in your marshmallows, and with a spatula you're just going to mix them up. You are also going just to add some vanilla essence for flavor, and once your marshmallows have melted, we're now going to add the Rice Krispies, and then you're just going to continue mixing them up with a spatula or a wooden spoon. Once everything is well mixed, we are just going to pour it onto a greased pan or a greased glass bowl, and you're just going to spread it through the pan, and we're just going to let it cool down. So once it's a little bit cool, it will start hardening, and what you're going to do is just get a knife and cut it into cubes. And there we have it, guys. We just made these easy, delicious Rice Krispie Treats. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family or friends, and if you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye guys, see you in the next video.